Hi everyone, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. So let's check it out how I created this. So let's start this. I have this Unreal Engine 5 project which I have in a model. I have a model here. This is some big, and this is our downloaded from this site cadnav.com, and I will provide this project but not this model because this is not my although this is free and licenses, you can see non-commercial. That's why I will just place something dummy instead of this in my project when I'll provide the link to download. And this, you can download this from this site, it's free, and just replace it in my project so you will have same output. So let's start. So first I'll create a new map label. Let's make it 100 and 100, and I'll delete this, and a material M floor. I'll take gray color for this, and no metallic, no specular. Drag this here, and the light, I will rotate this, and then I will take a post process and make it infinite, and then set the exposure to manual, make it like 10 or 11.